Robobo, and I'm an educational robo. What does that mean? Well, I'm a tool for you to learn how to solve real-world problems in an entertaining way and using technology. How? Programming me from your computer. If look closely to me, my body has two parts, a base with wheels, which is my trunk and limbs, and your smartphone, which is my head and mind. You can program me to move her around the world, and you can also move my head. I have many sensors in my body that allow me to know the distance to the things around me. Move your hand around my body and you will see that my LEDs change the color when it's very close. You can use these sensors in your programs to avoid obstacles. Thanks to your smartphone, I have senses, I can communicate and show emotions, and I can think. Now I'm going to show you what kind of things you can do with me in your programs. First, using the speaker, you can make me speak, like now, you can play sounds and musical notes. You can use the screen to show different emotions as I do things. Look, I can be sad, angry, happy, asleep. You can also use the screen to activate different behaviors. For example, touch me in the eye. Now touch my mouth. If you slide your finger over the screen from top to bottom or from bottom to top, look what happens. And if you slide your finger from side to side, try it. As I told you before, I'm able to see what happens around me thanks to your smartphone's camera. You can programming me to detect objects with different colors. For example, put me on the floor, take the green ball and move it slowly in front of me, look how I follow it. As well, I can hear you thanks to your smartphone. Try clapping and see what kind of behaviors you can program. Now I say goodbye, but you can try all of these behaviors. If you want to go back to the main menu, just press the back button of your smartphone.